Well, Julie, that really depends on where you are. Some of us going to be getting mostly rain and some of us going to be picking up some of the heavier snowfall total. So no matter where you are, though, tonight, it is going to be an active night. Right now, most of our cameras are fairly quiet, but we are tracking some showers already making their way in from the southwest. This will continue to spread to the northeast through the remainder of the evening hours. At this time, steadiest rainfall coming down near parts of western Kentucky, but light rain showers showing up through southern Illinois and back off into southeastern Missouri as well. As temperatures drop tonight, we will see the transition into a wintry mix and that heavy wet snow. So that threat tracker bar is up quite a bit tonight as we track that winter storm making its way in. That activity will linger into Wednesday morning. So that threat tracker bar will stay up early Wednesday morning, but then it'll drop back off by the time we get to Thursday. Still a wintry day Thursday with a few flurries around, but not going to be seeing anything substantial like we're going to be tracking tonight and into tomorrow. So here's a wide look of the radar. We are tracking that next system making its way in from the south. Of course, lots of rain and even some strong storms across parts of the deep south. For us here at home, we're going to be dealing with that rain and snow mix. So there is a lot to break down tonight. So as of right now, again, starting to see the showers, but by the time we get to about 8, 9 o'clock, we see more widespread rain across parts of southern Illinois and extending down into western Kentucky. And then we should start to see that transition into snow for parts of our far western counties. That transition will then work its way to the north and east as temperatures drop. So by the time we get to about 10, 11 o'clock through parts of southern Illinois, expecting that rain to transition over into that heavy wet snow. If you are off to the south, I know we keep talking about this, there is a chance that you see some heavy snowflakes mixed in with some of that rain, but a lot of western Kentucky down into northwest Tennessee and some of our far southern counties in southeastern Missouri, this just isn't going to be a big winter storm for you. The focus is really going to be across the northern and western portions of the viewing area. We will see that wintry mix through the overnight hours and the potential for another band of heavy snow during the early morning for parts of southern Illinois and back into southeastern Missouri. So this is what I meant by if you're heading out early on Wednesday morning, allow yourself some extra time to get where you need to be safely. The rain will work its way to the north and east and snow and make its way out of the area by late morning on Wednesday. So still seeing some activity around across parts of southern Illinois into southeastern Missouri by about 9 a.m. By late morning, we see that heaviest snow out of the area. Afternoon and evening will bring a chance for some flurries and light snow showers to the area, but not that substantial snowfall that, of course, we're tracking tonight and into the early morning hours. When it comes to the snowfall amounts, I know everybody excited about that snowfall, the heaviest snow falling across the northern and western portions of the viewing area. The question remains, or the biggest question, is in between that rain and that heavy wet snow. We are expecting more in the way of rain the further south you go. So a mess no matter what. Of course, when it comes to the heavy snow, the higher impacts will be to the north and west, and then that'll drop off the further south and east you go. Keep the Storm Track 3 app around. You can track the rain, you can track that snow right there on your phone. After we get the snow and we get through Thursday, temperatures are still cold, so still going to see some of those accumulations lingering on the ground by the time we get to Thursday. But by Friday, we're up into the low 40s. By Saturday, we're up to 50 degrees. So no matter how much snowfall you see, if you do have some of that still on the ground, by the time we get to Saturday, expecting that to melt away, it won't be around for very long. And then our next system comes in Saturday into Sunday. It's not going to be a big system like this by any means, but we are going to see the chance for rain back by the weekend.
And a little bit warmer, too.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Me too. All right. Thank you, Tracy.